we're back at 2000 kids. Let's become 2000 kids all about the fidget spinner. So let's just get on the video. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm just going to tell you about my fidget spinner. I forgot where it was from. Well, it was so cool that I just wanted this fidget spinner. And this is how it looks. And it has pink and orange color. Sometimes my fidget spinner just fold these pieces out that I just can't find it, so I just get mad and mad. And yeah, it got orange, pink, white, of course. I just love my fidget spinner. I cannot believe I got a fidget spinner. That I'm so happy that I just got a fidget spinner. And these are my sister fidget spinner. This is my big sister fidget spinner, Esther. And you should follow her at her YouTube channel called Esthertube and Instagram.
It is EstherPaw11.
Yep, it is. Now, for my little sister, she kind of got a fidget spinner. She don't even have a YouTube channel yet, so she just have a fidget spinner. She got like rainbow colors.
But it's not like a rainbow. It's like 3 color.
Yeah, this one has pink and orange right here, blue, and orange right here, and I don't really know this color. I think it's orange and orange here again.
Wait, let me say something. As you can see, there's like this thing right there. And sorry if the camera's not really close.
Yeah, and these are all my sisters.
You didn't close it.
Oh, and this is my sister colors. It got white, like same, and blue right over here, not the same, and white. Spinny. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.
This was your first video.
And this is my first time making my YouTube channel, and I'm so happy.
Stop.
Hey, so please subscribe and like this video, or you can just watch more video. Bye guys.